Leeds International Corporation's VERVE G1 is a chewable tablet formulated with the most potent antioxidants available in the market today. By taking 2 to 3 lozenges a day, get 5 benefits of the 6 unique ingredients in one tablet of VERVE G1. Skin is intensively whitened with a cocktail of the most powerful antioxidants, and nothing beats reduced L-glutathione from torula yeast. Reduced L-glutathione fights free radicals that causes skin aging. The tablet of VERVE G1 contains superoxide dismutase GliSODin from cantaloupe melon seeds, which neutralizes superoxide radicals that causes cell damage and helps rebuild tissue to prevent wrinkles from immediately forming. It protects the skin from damage caused by the sun's ultraviolet rays with a good dose of edible sunscreen called ASTAXANTHIN. This doubles as a king antioxidant that promotes a healthy immune system. It rejuvenates and hydrates the skin with phytohyaluronic acid produced from Chewable fusiformis. Phytohyaluronic acid has smaller particles compared to hyaluronic acid, which means that its moisture and other benefits are better absorbed by the skin. Feel revitalized due to the vitamins and minerals from Acerola cherry and Blackcurrant, which support optimal glutathione and collagen functions. Both ingredients are also responsible for the pleasant and sweet berry taste of each chewable VERVE G1 lozenge. Achieve true beauty beyond mere skin whitening with VERVE G1. VERVE Nutrition, VERVE G1.